50 episodes of Python. The series everyone said was done.
Then the comments came in. Web scraping, databases, security, interview prep, things AI projects actually need.
So before the AI series, 20 bonus episodes. I am Mahaz. Episode 51, Regular Expressions, the re module. The tool that replaces 10 lines of string splitting with one pattern.
Let us see exactly how regex actually works. Episode 50 was supposed to be the finale. But real AI work needs more than 50 episodes of basics. Web scraping, Flask and Fast API, automation, databases, security, interview prep.
20 more practical episodes, all things real AI projects use daily.
Today we start that bonus arc with regular expressions. Every single one of these feeds directly into the AI series.
No file. Just the Python you will actually open VS Code for.
Here is a real problem. Messy text, structured data hiding inside. An email buried in a sentence. A phone number in 3 formats. You could split on at and hope. Hope is not a strategy.
Regex describes the shape of text and finds it instantly.
One pattern, any email, any phone number, any log line.
This is why every scraping, parsing, and cleaning tool uses it.
For functions cover almost everything you will ever need. Re.match checks only the very start of the string.
Re.search finds the first match anywhere in the string. Re.findall returns every match as a list.
Re.sub replaces every match with new text.
For functions, one pattern syntax, reused everywhere.
A handful of symbols describe almost any pattern of text. \d means any digit. \w means any letter or number. \s means whitespace, spaces, tabs, and new lines.
Dot matches almost any character. Star means 0 or more.
Plus means 1 or more. Question mark means optional. Square brackets define your own custom character class. Curly braces set an exact count, like 3 digits exactly.
Parentheses do not just group, they capture.
Wrap any part of your pattern in parentheses to extract it. Group 1 is the first parentheses. Group 2 is the second. Named groups go further, question mark, p, angle brackets, a name. Now you extract by name instead of counting parentheses.
This is how you turn unstructured text into structured data.
30 seconds before we build something real. If string splitting headaches brought you here, you found the right channel. Every episode is one real Python mechanism explained simply. The AI series is getting closer with every bonus episode. 1 subscribe keeps this whole series going.
2 seconds. Tap it now.
Okay, let us build a real text extractor. Let us build a real extractor on a messy block of text. First, a pattern for emails, word characters, and @ a domain.
Re.findall pulls out every email in 1 line.
Next, a pattern for phone numbers in 3 different formats. Parentheses, dashes, spaces, the pattern handles all of it.
1 block of messy text. 2 patterns. Clean structured results.
Sometimes you want to match near something without capturing it. A lookahead checks what comes after, but does not consume it. Question mark =, pattern, that is a positive lookahead. A lookbehind checks what came before the match instead. Question mark less than =, that is a lookbehind.
Use these to match a price without grabbing the currency symbol.
Advanced but incredibly useful once you actually need it. Reusing the same pattern many times? Compile it once. Re.compile turns a pattern into a reusable object. Faster on large files. Cleaner to read in big projects. Flags change how a pattern behaves entirely. Re.IGNORECASE makes matching case-insensitive.
Re.MULTILINE makes caret and $match every line.
Re.DOTALL lets .match new lines too. 3 mistakes that catch almost everyone learning regex. Mistake 1. Forgetting the raw string prefix are before your pattern.
Backslashes get mangled without it, and patterns silently break.
Mistake 2. Using star when you actually meant plus. Star matches 0 occurrences. That empty match surprises people constantly.
Mistake 3. Greedy matching, grabbing far more than intended. Add a question mark after star or plus to match less.
Mini project, a text cleaner for an AI training dataset. Step 1. Strip every HTML tag with one substitution pattern.
Step 2. Collapse repeated whitespace down to single spaces. Step 3. Redact emails and phone numbers before training.
Step 4. Extract hashtags and mentions as separate metadata.
5 lines of regex, a dataset that is actually clean.
Your challenge. Write a regex that validates a phone number in 3 formats. Step 1. Match 12345678890 with parentheses and a dash. Step 2. Also match 12345678890 without parentheses. Step 3. Also match 12345678890 with dots instead.
Bonus, use a named group to extract just the area code.
Paste your pattern in the comments. I reply to every single one. Let us recap what you learned today.
Match, search, find all, and sub, the 4 core functions.
Metacharacters and character classes, describing the shape of text.
Groups and named groups, extracting structured data from chaos.
Lookaheads and lookbehinds, matching without consuming. Compile and flags, faster, cleaner, more powerful patterns. Next episode, web scraping with beautiful soup and requests. Regex is exactly what makes that scraping clean, not painful. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.
Regex. Unlocked.
Messy text is no longer a problem you solve by hand. Match, search, find all, sub, groups, lookarounds, compile, flags, all yours now.
Next, episode 52, web scraping.
Subscribe for the next bonus episode. Tell me what messy text you are going to clean first.
I am Mahaz. See you in episode 52.